Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Rex. So today I'm going to be talking about string in Python. Actually, string are data in text format. You can also save them in variables like we worked with number previously. So strings are data that we can save in form of text in number. So you can have a string like first name, Daniel, and like last name, Michael. So we can print out what first name and print out last name. But wait, before we print out this, we can print out our string just like this. When I'm working with string, we have to involve our quotation mark, either be double or single. But we can't use both. We can't start with double and end with single. So when we put our two quotation mark, both to open and close inside the parentheses, then we write what we want to write here. You can say this is a string. You can say this is a string. So that's why we can end with single when we start with double. I see when we try to do it here, it won't work. So we can go back here and comment all these. And see here, Daniel and Michael. So there's a way we can join these two names together to give our full name. This is called concatenation. Use it to join things together as one. So you can concatenate both first name and last name together by using plus sign. Then when we print our full name here, you can see it here. There's an error here. It merged both Daniel and Michael together without giving them space. So let's comment this. Actually, comments are the way that you keep some piece of your program from not running. So in Python, you just comment by simply putting hashtag at the front. So when you print full name, see that it merged sure of them together here, Daniel Michael. So the only way to separate these two is that we put space here. And when we run this, see the space here. But when we try to run our first name and last name again separately, see that the last name will be affected by the space. You can see it here. So best way to do this is to concatenate space in between. So and that's easily by doing this. By doing this, we have space in between the first name and the last name. So let's run this and see. You can see our marker is numbered to its position and this works perfectly alright. We have a space here. So let's now imagine we want to add age to this 23. I want to enter the full details. I want to concatenate full name with the age. I want to say that my Daniel Michael is 23 years old. So we can easily say, we can try and say Daniel full name plus without space is plus H. Yes. So when we run this and try and print out our details, we can see we get an error here because it say can only concatenate string. This age here is an integer. We can't concatenate integer and string together. The only way to do this is unless you convert string, the integer to a string. And that's really by writing str, which symbolizes string, and putting the age into parentheses. I'll see it here. Daniel Michael is 23 years old. It worked quite alright. So now there's other ways we can use to concatenate this without having to change this age into a string format. You can easily write by f at the front, that's the concatenation method. Then have our full name, then is age years old. So we can print it out this way. You can see it work quite alright too. So there are some methods we can use in Python. It's a method we can use to manipulate our Python, and like we can decide to convert this our details to uppercase. I writing dot upper to parentheses here, nothing inside. And you can see Daniel is 23 years old. They are all in uppercase. Then you can convert it to lowercase by just simply lower. I see it here. Daniel Michael is 23 years old. All lowercase. Then you can check if they are all uppercase. Is upper. I see here it's false because they are not all upper. I see here if they are all lower. It's going to give us false because they are not all lower. But we can easily convert this here to lower. Save it as details. I see here it's true. They are all lower. So when we erase this, also some other method called case fold. Surely case fold we turn everything back to lower cases too. There's also another called swap case. As the name says, swap the case. Let's see. You can see the D was uppercase, but now it's lowercase, then the M2, then the S is uppercase. So you also have some other method called find. Here we can find. Let's look for letter A. And see, letter A is in index 1. Surely, we start with first name here, right? This index is start from 0. So this our D is 0. This our A is 1. Our N is 2. Then if you look for any else, you say it's 2. And see it here. And you can count all the way to M. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this parenthesis is about 6. It's 7. Our M should be 7. I should get that. Sorry, the space. Sorry. M is not the word. So here, let's use another method called index. Can just look for the index of M, 2, M. Wow. Sorry. Fine. Yeah. The M is capital letter. So 7, right? You can use for the index of M again. And say 7. Say 7. So there's also some other method that we can use here. You can also count. You can also count numbers of times A appear. You can see as 3 in Yes, in Daniel, and in Michael. And you can also check for her, and it's 1, only in Daniel. So now you can check for Z, because Z does not exist in any of this. You can see Z is 0, because it does not exist. So there's also another method called split. Split everything into list. So you can work with individual or count individual or count the numbers of words there. We'll talk more about the list in the future. So also another method called capitalize. Sorry, this is going to capitalize the first letter of the sentence. You can see here, the rest of small letter already there is capital letter. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my Python tutorial. See you next time. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell so you can get notified anytime we release new videos. Thank you very much.